My name is T. Mohana. On the occasion of Cancer Awareness Day, I'm going to speak a few words about different types of cancer therapies. Cancer. When cells divide too quickly, recklessly, in very huge manner and they cause lumps in organs, they often accumulate and cause mutations which ignore their original function in body, forming tumors. In turn, these tumors may interfere with natural processing of body, potentially leading to death. Diagnosis for cancer. Testing. Skin, breast, mouth cancers can be detected by routine self-examination. Tumor is suspected by image testing such as X-ray, CT scan, MRI scan to determine the cancer location and size. Biopsy. To confirm diagnosis of cancer, in which tissue sample is removed from suspected tumor and studied under to check the cancer cells. Staging. Need to know how the cancer is spread over. Spreading from one area to another body parts is called metastatic cancers, such as breast cancer spread over the bones. Mostly this type of cancers are traveled through bloodstream, usually invade nearby normal tissues as cells proliferate. Advanced cancers do not spread from one body part to another, example prostate cancer. There are 6 types of cancer therapies used to cure the cells proliferation ceased or tumor is removed by these therapies or even by combination of these therapies. They are surgery, bone marrow transplantation, targeted therapy, radiation therapy, hormone therapy, chemotherapy. Surgery. If tumor is slow growing in one place, surgery might be helpful to remove the tumor. It depends upon the type, size, location, and stage of tumor. Advantages. Prevent cancer growth, spread, or reoccurrence. Disadvantages. Fatigue, lymphedema, causes infection. Radiation. If tumor is fast growing or invading to nearby tissues, then radiation followed by surgery is done. Usually targeted energies such as X-rays, radioactive substances used to destroy the cancer cells, shrink a tumor as primary treatment. To destroy the cancer cells, cease the tumor growth. Advantages. It helps to track tumor, delivers maximum radiation to tumor. Disadvantages. Radiation may damage the surrounding cells which are close to the tumor. Bone marrow transplantation. It is even called as stem cell therapy, where replacement of bone marrow takes place. Blood cancers are often cured by bone marrow transplantation. Advantages. Just a small portion of blood stem cells can regenerate whole body's worth healthy bone marrow. Disadvantages. Graft versus host cells diseases occur in targeted therapy. Interference with specific target molecules needed for carcinogens or tumor growth pathway specific. They are mainly 2 categories. Small molecule complex, typically developed for targets that are located inside the cell. Monoclonal antibody used for targets that are outside the cells or cell surface. Used to treat cancers that depend upon the hormones to grow. Mainly breast cancer, prostate cancer, ovarian and adrenal, etc. are cured. Disadvantages. Bone deterioration, memory loss, weight gain, fatigue, risk of blood clotting mechanism, cataract formation, heart diseases. Chemotherapy. Chemicals which are taken in, they are cytotoxic agents which are toxic to living cells as they deserve their most powerful effect on the rapid dividing. There are cells. 6 classes of chemotherapeutic drugs. They are alkylating agents, plant alkaloids, anti-tumor antibiotics, antimetabolites, topoisomers, microtubule stabilizers, etc. Disadvantages. It affects the other healthy cells in body, those which are naturally have to renew rapidly like hair follicles, etc. To overcome this, doctor prescribes strong anti-nausea medications, cold caps to repair the hair loss by lowering the temperature of head and constraining the blood vessels, limiting the amount of chemotherapy drug reaching the hair follicles. After completion of whole therapy, we can see the growth of damaged healthy cells. Researchers are still developing more precise and interventions that only target tumors and improve the survival rate with less amount of healthy cells damage and tissue damage in our bodies. Thank you.